So friends, let's start with today's delicious Goan sweet called mangane. It's very easy to prepare and really delicious. Now here I've taken half a cup of chana dal and washed it well and soaked it in 3 cups of water for 1 hour till it swells up a bit. Here I have 1/4 cup of sabudana that again I've washed and kept in 1 cup of water for 1 hour. Now you can see the chana dal has swelled up and so has the sabudana or the sago. Now we're going to add the dal to a pressure pan and cook it for 2 whistles on high and simmer it for 15 minutes. Once the dal is cooked, just mash it up very coarsely. Now I'm going to take small slices of coconut. I'll just show you how to cut that. So just take a coconut shell like this and with a sharp knife just take pieces of the coconut like this. Cut close to the rim so you get these thin coconut slices. Use a sharp knife, and now we're going to make some thick and thin coconut milk. It's very easy to prepare. So here I've taken 1 medium-sized coconut and grated it. Then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water and we're going to grind this to a paste. Now here I've kept a sieve and I'm just going to pour this mixture over the sieve. And we're going to squeeze out as much juice as possible. So this is the first, the first milk. So that will be the thick milk. And after we've squeezed out as much coconut milk as possible, again we're going to add. So this is the thick coconut milk. Set this aside. Again, put this remaining coconut into the blender and add another 1/4 cup of water. Again, repeat the process, but this will be a thinner consistency of coconut milk. So you can repeat this process twice till you get, till the coconut becomes really very dry and you cannot, squeeze out any coconut milk. This is the thin coconut milk. So this is how you can make coconut milk at home. So now let's continue with the recipe. Alternatively, you can use store-bought coconut milk as well. Now I've taken a small piece of nutmeg and I've just grated it on my grater to get about 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and you'll require 1/2 cup of grated jaggery or gur, and I'm going to also get make some elaichi powder, around 1 teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder. So now that we have all the ingredients, I'm going to pour 1/4 cup of water into the cooked dal, which we have mashed coarsely. Mix it well on a medium heat till it softens up again. Now we're going to add the elaichi powder and the nutmeg powder. Mix it well. Add the jaggery or the gur and again mix everything nicely on a low to medium heat. Now we're going to drain all the water from the sabudana or the sago and add that as well. Now it's very important that you soak this sabudana, otherwise you'll have this raw feeling of the sabudana. That's why you need to soak it really well. Mix everything nicely together. And if there are any jaggery pieces or jaggery pieces, just now I happen to have a turmeric leaf in my garden, so I'm adding that. That's completely optional, but it really adds a nice flavor to any Goan sweet dish. Mix everything well together. And now you're going to add the thin coconut milk first. Once you added the thin coconut milk, mix it all well together. And if there are still any more pieces of jaggery, let them just break them up. The entire jaggery or the gur has to, or the jaggery has to completely dissolve. Now I'm just going to add 10 to 12 cashew nuts. Mix it and all well together. We're almost done with the recipe. Now taste to see if you require any more sweetness, then you can add some more gur or some more jaggery or jaggery as required, and add a pinch of salt. This will really bring out the flavor of this dish. So whenever it's any sweet dish, you always add a little salt, and whenever it's a savory dish, you add a little sugar. And now I'm just going to add the thick coconut milk. That is the first extract of the coconut. Mix it all well together. Let it just come to a very gentle boil and then switch off the heat immediately. Don't overcook it. And now I'm just going to add these coconut strips. And our lovely Goan Mangane is all ready to enjoy. Do try out this recipe, guys. It's really delicious.
As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.